Good morning students, class 4. Today we will revise our chapter 30, Adventure Sports. In Adventure Sports, you will see the pictures and tell the name of the adventure sports. In which sports a person jumps over the cliff and a long elastic rope tied to the legs. In which sports a person jumps off the cliff and with a long elastic rope tied to the legs. Yes, tell the name of this sports. Bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. In the bungee jumping sports, a person jumps over the cliff with a long elastic rope tied to the legs. Now second is, in which sports a person pushes a huge hang glider over the cliff and hangs in the air. See the picture. In which sports a person pushes a huge hang glider over the cliff and hangs in the air. Tell the name of this sports. Yes, the name of this sports is hang gliding. Hang gliding. In hang gliding sports, a person pushes a huge hang glider over the cliff and hangs in the air. Now next is, in which sports a person waves a piece of red cloth. A person waves a piece of cloth before a bull that charges at it. Tell the name of this sports. Yes, you can tell after seeing the picture. In this picture, a bull and a person are fighting. So the adventure sports name is, this sports is bullfighting. Yes, bullfighting. In bullfighting sports, a person waves a red piece of cloth before a bull that charges at it. Now next is, in which sports a person rows or paddles the boat down the turbulent river. Yes, tell the name of this sport. Yes, the name of this sport is river rafting. In river rafting, a person rows or paddles the boat down the turbulent river. Now next is, in which sports a person rides on the sea waves. While balancing on a board. Yes, tell the name of this sports. The name of this sports is surfing. Yes, in surfing sports, a person rides on the sea waves while balancing on a board. Now quiz time. In quiz time, tick the correct answer. Which of the following is a popular adventure sport in which a person drives a racing car at a very high speed? Yes, which one is the right option? Formula 1 race, motocross, madness, super fast car drive, racer race. Now, first is the right option, Formula 1 race. In which sport does a person walk from one cliff to another on a rope? Yes, this sport's name is high lining. In highlining sport, does a person walk from one cliff to another on a rope? Yes. Okay, beta. Thank you. Revise your chapter 13th chapter with the help of this video. Okay, sorry, beta. Amazing. In amazing fact, the oldest person to skydive was Fred Mac is at the grand age of 100. जो स्काई डाइविंग स्पोर्ट्स एडवेंचर है उसको ये जो है इसको एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स को जो करने वाला पर्सन है ओल्डेस्ट पर्सन उनका नेम था फ्रेड मैक एट द ग्रैंड एज ऑफ 100 यानी 100 ईयर ओल्ड पर्सन जिसका नेम क्या है फ्रेड मैक who do the sports this adventure sports skydive. In real life, be courageous, but remember safety is also important. So be brave, be safe. Be brave, be safe is the slogan for the adventure sports. Okay, beta, thank you. Revise this chapter.